Using existing ductwork as a chase for electrical wires is generally not recommended. Firstly, ductwork is often made of metal and can conduct electricity, creating a potential fire hazard if electrical wires are installed inside or on the surface. Secondly, most electrical codes prohibit the installation of electrical wires inside ductwork. Thirdly, wiring inside ductwork can obstruct the flow of air, reducing the efficiency of the heating system. When wiring thermostats for 120 volts, there are both advantages and disadvantages. Some of the advantages are: firstly, 120 volts thermostats are smaller and require less space in the electrical panel, and secondly, 120 volts wiring and components are typically less expensive than 240 volts wiring. However, some disadvantages include: firstly, 120 volt circuits have a lower current capacity than 240 volt circuits, which can limit the number of heating units or devices that can be connected, and secondly, for larger homes or buildings, long wire runs from the panel to the thermostat may be required, increasing the potential for voltage drop and electrical losses. Regarding panel space considerations, firstly, you might install a subpole specifically for the heating system, which will provide additional space for circuit breakers. Secondly, consider replacing the existing electrical panel with a larger load center with more circuit breaker slots. Thirdly, instead of wiring all the thermostats to a single circuit breaker, use 10/2 wire to run separate circuits for each thermostat. This will require more circuit breakers but will reduce the load on each individual circuit. It's highly recommended to consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best and most code-compliant solution for your specific needs.